gonna be honest, I didn't know what to expect when I first tried on the Vision Pro. The only thing bigger than the hype is the price. How could this thing possibly live up to either? Well, I've been trying it out for a few days, and I have some thoughts. Some of them are good, and some are bad. And some are just weird. Let's just start with wearing the hardware. You've probably heard that this is a heavy headset, and that's true. The default band that comes attached to the Vision Pro looks nice and makes for a good photo, but it's not all that comfortable. I had to switch to the dual loop and the thicker eyepiece to find the best comfort. And even with that, I found that after a few minutes of wearing the device, I end up with a mark on my nose from where the Vision Pro sits. In fact, you can see that mark in my persona, which is just, well, unfortunate. I'm hoping that more band options from third parties come out that do a better job of distributing weight. But once you put it on, it's pretty amazing. Setup is a pretty standard Apple affair, complete with the usual hello, but that's drawn in your view and pass through. It's kind of neat to see. You'll walk through the steps to set up your Apple account, scan your eyes for unlocking and setting up a persona. But after that, you're off to the races. While you're off to the races, would you consider subscribing to the channel? I have more reviews coming both for the Vision Pro and other devices, including a smart grill. Yes, that's right, a grill that's smart. Subscribe to find out more. And finally, there's actually using the software. I'm going to be honest, this is taking me longer to get used to than I expected. You interact with most things by looking at it than using a pinch gesture. And that sounds easy, right? Technically, it is, but it goes against what feels right at times. If you're typing in a PIN, for instance, you should just move your eyes to look at the number that you want to hit. But I end up moving my head instead, trying to get to the right number, and that leads to neck strain. And while Apple did an amazing job of tracking your hands to a point where you don't have to lift to pinch, I forget that all the time. So I find myself reaching out to the thing I want to select with the pinch and moving my hand all over when I don't have to. It's early days though, and I haven't yet decided if the Vision Pro is worth the eye-watering $3,500 price for the base model. But so far, I'm unimpressed by a few things and extremely impressed by others. Even though we do have other AR headsets like the Meta Quest 3, I'm not sure we have anything like the Vision Pro on the market, at least for now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see the full review. And until next time,